Hi, and welcome to part number 10 of building a SaaS using Django and Vue.js. In this part I'm going to do several small things. I create a little to-do list you can see here I'm going to do today. I'm going to remove the code with Stein text on the category page, show number of bookmarks in a category, show the description of the bookmarks, show the 5 newest categories on the dashboard, show the 5 newest bookmarks on the dashboard, and tweak the layout of the category page a little bit. I'm going to begin with this to do. So then I go to category.html, I remove this, and I also remove it from the dead array from Vue.js, and save, refresh, and then it's gone. So that was a quick one. Done. And then I want to show a number of bookmarks in a category. So below the title, I say h2 class subtitle category.bookmarks.all pipe length bookmarks. Save. So then I say 1 bookmarks. It's a little bit weird to say bookmarks, so I want to show bookmark instead of bookmarks when there are just one. The way I do that is to use one more filter called plural, no, sorry, not there, bookmark, and then I take this again, wipe it, pluralize, yes, and then it says bookmark. If I add one more, go, it now says bookmarks. Perfect. So then I can remove that too, and then I want to show the description of the bookmarks also in the same file. So the description should be shown here, and I see that in the code it's already doing it, but I guess it's missing. So I need to go into views.py and add it to this array. Description. Bookmark.description. Save. There we go. So that was also a quick to do. Then I want to show the 5 newest categories on the dashboard. Just close these two. Dashboard, templates, dashboard.html. Okay, I have already done this in a previous part, but I don't know why it's gone now, so I need to check it out. Request.user.all. Okay, they are already here, I guess. So then I can just remove this, since we are already showing the 5 newest bookmarks. I just didn't see them earlier today. Then I want to show the 5 newest categories as well. But above here I can say div class column is 12, h2 class subtitle 5 newest bookmarks, and then I can copy this, paste it here, 5 newest categories, and I can copy this, because I want to use colors for the categories as well. Categories, category.title. I can just remove the description. View. I don't want this to open in another tab. Category. No. Replace this. URL. Category detail. Category.id. Category edit. And save. And then I need to get the categories from the database. Request user.categories all 0 to 5. We'll need to pass it in here also. Category detail not found. Okay, it's just category, sorry. There is it, perfect. But we added this after we did this, so it's a wrong ordering. I need to fix that. Order by created at. Is that correct? No, it's minus created at. There. I need this for the categories as well. There. So then I can go in here again, I say done. Then I want to tweak the layout on the category page a little bit. So category.html. Top here. I want to add some classes to the buttons here. Button is primary. The delete, I want to be red. Button is danger. I also want the edit button here. Class button is warning, this can be orange. URL, category edit, pass in the category ID. Oops, there. So that looks a little bit better. I want to remove one of these. It was kind of too much. Put a paragraph tag around this. And this should also be inside some columns. Column is 12. There I can put these two. One more of this. And one more for the buttons. It's a little bit cleaner. Should also make the ordering for the links here. That will be in the back end. Dot order by minus created at. And that's it for this part. In the next part I'm going to start building a settings page where you can edit the user profile. If you like this video, please click like below. And if you don't follow me, please subscribe to my channel and remember to click the bell to get a notification when I publish the next video.